Hello everyone on YouTube, this is Drake here, and I just found out some just sad news in the Star Wars world. And I know it's been confirmed 2 days ago, but to those who haven't known yet, Peter Mayhew, the guy who was, Chewbacca, passed away. As if we just felt a mighty voice in the Star Wars universe was no more. It felt like a huge part in the childhood of everyone who has seen Star Wars when Chewie first appeared has their hearts broken, and everyone is feeling the loss. When I first saw Chewie, I had to admit, for a Wookiee, he was one tough, badass Wookiee. I mean, said he could rip off the arms off. If he lose, I would not want to make a Wookiee mad. But if there's one thing I do know, just the right being like, hey, Chewie, he has a big heart, and he knows how to put up with all the shenanigans, all the craziness he's been through. And to Peter Mayhew, yeah, sorry if I mispronounced your last name, but thank you for being the greatest Wookiee of all time. And we will miss you, old friend. And if you see Leia up there, tell her we say hi and we all miss her. And may the Force be with you, Chewie, always.